How to turn on one-handed mode on Samsung device. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can turn on or enable one-handed mode on Samsung device. Now first things first, you'll have to enable one-handed mode. To do so, head into settings. Once you're on the settings, what you want to do is you want to head into advanced options here. So you can see advanced features, you want to head into it, and under it you can see one-handed mode. Now you have two different ways to enable it, right? One is if you are using the gesture, then you'll have to do it using gesture, or if you're using button, if you have button here, home button, and all the buttons here down below, the three buttons, then all you gotta do is you'll have to double tap the home button to enable one-handed mode. But if you are using gesture like me, what you'll have to do is at the bottom of your screen, you want to simply tap and then swipe downwards, and you can see here. So let me show it to you again. You wanna make sure first it is enabled on the settings, right? Here, one-handed mode, I've enabled it. Then all you gotta do is tap on the bottom of your screen in the middle and then swipe downwards, and you'll have one-handed mode here, as you can see. So you can use this way. This is how you can enable one-handed mode on Samsung device. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.